Hey guys, it's Marissa again, and I'm here to show you a haul from scrapbook.com. But before we go to our haul, I hope you would consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell button. We are trying to grow our family here at My Scrappiness, and I'd really appreciate it if you would subscribe. Anyway, without further ado, it's a bigger box. I didn't have the space here on the table, but I'll bring up the items. I did buy quite a bit, guys. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the scrapbook cards today. This is a free from scrapbooks.com. It's a free magazine, so when you go to their coupon tab, just click on that and you'll see all the coupons. This is actually free, so I got this for free, so thank you very much. So this is the magazine that we got, and it is actually for summer 2020, and it has a $7.99 price here. So that's the card, that's the magazine. And then on the very top, I got this clear double-sided adhesive sheets. I got 3 of them, and there is supposed to be 5 in each package. So let's look in here. I want to count how many they are. So yes, there is 5 in here, so I have a total of 15 here. And I'm going to use this for possibly die cutting. We'll see what we can use this for later. But in the meantime, I got 3 packages, so there's a total of 15 in here. The next items I have here are, this is the 1/8, I think. Yeah, this is the 1/8 double-sided adhesive roll, and I have 3 here, again from scrapbook.com. And then this is the 1/4, again 3 of them, and this is this is the 1/4 inch, and this is the 1/8 of an inch. So looking forward to playing with this. And then, oh, what is this? Join the Scrapbook VIP text. I guess I'm just gonna have to look at that later. And then another thing that I got, and I got this as a set. This is the Ward Fetty Best Day Ever, again scrapbook.com, and this is also happy. I'm looking at this and they're so cute. Anyway, guys, these are for my cards, and also maybe for my Project Life cards that I'm going to put in my scrapbook. So this is what I have here. And then I have this sample pack from Echo Park, and this is supposed to be, this is also a freebie. Again, if you go to there, I don't know if this is still the freebie now. They change freebies every time. So this is the sample pack that I got from Echo Park. How cute, you guys. Look at them. They're so cute. So this is them. Let's see how many there are. These are all 6x6s. So, and this is from, it doesn't say what collection. It looks like it's from Farmhouse Christmas and also the Lumberjack Christmas. So these are their Christmas papers that they're gonna have for those 2 kits. So cute, you guys. And then they're double-sided too. So I'm just gonna go through them real quick here. Oh my gosh, the Christmas cards that we can make with this, right? I'm gonna put this on the side. Maybe I can play with them later on for some cards. And then I also got 3 of the 6x6 double-sided adhesive strips. I'm also assuming these are also 5 sheets in each of the packets. So yes, there's 5 in each package, so there's this 15 of them in the total for this 3. Then this is exciting. I got this scrapbook.com, and this is the containers for the daubers. Let me see if I can find my daubers here. So these are for these daubers here, the sponge daubers. I have a house for them now too. So this is awesome. So again, I bought 2 of this. And then I'm very excited for this next item. This I'm going to open here with you guys because I ordered 2 of this and I'm only going to open one. Let me show you the other one. So I ordered 2 of this. And there it is. It's the 360 craft tower. And I'm very excited for them because I plan to organize my inks in this. I know they have an ink set item here, or the ink organizer, but I preferred to use this. So here they are. Oh my gosh, so excited for this. I plan to put my oxides in here, and then what other stuff that I can put here. So yay, so happy about this. This is the 360 craft tower. Let's see if I can put this together with you guys and see how it will work. And I ordered one that has 4 shelves. These are the shelves that came with it. I ordered another one that came with 8 shelves, and here's the other 4 shelves. So it comes with this rubber band things here that when you put this together. So let me just play with this. It has instructions on how you put this together. So I'm gonna put one together with you guys and see how that goes for us. Very excited about this, guys. So this is Lacy Susan kind of rotary thing here. So let's start with this. Put this on, and then I think you put the rubber band at the bottom just so it'll stay. Let me see. I'm gonna make sure that I'm doing this correctly and not mess it up. So I think you put the rubber band there, or whatever bands, the silicone bands, I guess is what you call them. I didn't even read the instructions. So I'm just looking at it right now and just following the pictures. It's kind of wobbly. I guess you put this on top. Excuse me if I'm off camera here for a bit. And that one goes there. Oh, it's not as wobbly as I thought it would be. And I'm sure as you put the shelves in and the topper, and there's the topper, it'll all work out. Okay guys, this is what it looks like, And let me see if I can put all my, I want to make sure that my inks would fit in here. And yes, they do. I'm so excited. So I got my 2 Vermstermark here. Yeah, you guys, they all fit. My oxides all fit, and my other inks all fit too. So this is awesome. This is where I'm going to be, obviously going to be putting my inks in. So excited about this. Yay. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed my haul. And that's it for now. I'll catch you guys later. I'm going to play with my organizers now. Thanks, guys. See you later, and be safe out there, guys. Bye.